Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the second part of CSA Certified System Administrator exam preparation for the Servicenow app 2022. Number of questions would be 30 and created by it's me. My name is Gaurav Rai. Let's move on to the second slide. Okay, okay. So points to remember. So for webasser.com, I already mentioned all the details on my first video. So please visit that and just take a understanding what you have to do and what need to be done. So I added one missing point into this. It's a 60 questions and 90 minutes. So that was the one mandatory point was missing. So there would be 60 questions will be asked during your certification exam, and they will provide around 90 minutes. So you have to take care of those things. So rest of the things you have to visit to the first first CSA preparation questions video. So over there you can find rest of the details. Okay, moving toward the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following are correct steps to retrieve and update sets? So mark update set as complete, retrieve, and then commit. That is the whole answer. Moving toward the question number 2. Which one of the below is used to group related fields together? So there would be like 4 options are there. So under that you have to select this option sections. So it's pretty much clear about you. I hope this is the basic thing so everyone knows about it. Question number 3. Which one of the following includes a quick way to an approval manager approves a service catalog request? Answer would be on the requested item form, select approve from the request field drop down list. Pretty much straightforward. Question number 4. What does orange field status indicator mean? Pretty simple. It is read only field. Moving toward the next slide. Question number 5. Name the interface for building and enabling rich process automation capabilities known as flows. Correct? So by overall reading out, you can understand what capabilities are increased and what a process of automation you can include in it, like uh, the interface we are using into this. So it's pretty much clear. It's a flow designer, correct? So moving towards the next question, question number 6. What are the 4 knowledge workflows available in the ServiceNow base instance? So answer would be approval publish, request approval from a manager of the knowledge base before moving the article it the published state. So that is the whole answer. Question number 7. On ServiceNow instance, where can you view information about the system activity? Correct. I'm repeating it again. On ServiceNow instance, where can you view information about the system activity? The key word is here system activity. Correct. Because when you start reading out, it's give you the the idea that you have to see what the like the overall details about the instance, but the keyword here is system activity. So by that you can understand it's system.logs. Might be there the option would be like stats.do when you type into the application filter navigator. So you will get the all the details about the your instance, like which version, what nodes, and what the other things like So you can find over there the details. But in this question, it should be system logs. Correct? Now moving toward the question number 8. Which of the following is a best example of contextual security in service? Correct? It's pretty simple. ACLs, access control list. Moving toward the question number 9. Which of the following are workflow activities? Select all that applies. Correct? So there would be multiple options over there given. So under that, you have to choose the correct answer. So timers, approval activity tasks. Correct? Moving toward the question number 10. What are the main components of ServiceNow graphical user interface, GUI, or some people are taking the pronunciation GUI. So answer would be application navigator, banner, power edge, and content frame. Moving toward the question number 11. For UI policy to be applied on all views, which among the following should be checked? Global. Correct? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Moving toward the question number 12. Which of the following provides the working surface for creating new workflows or editing existing ones? Answer would be Canvas. So where like in workflow where you are like making changes and all the frame which given, so that called the canvas. Correct? So moving towards the next slide. Question number 13. On the ServiceNow instance, where does the global text search appear? Into the banner. Answer would be a banner. So like when you're searching something like on the top, there is on your nearby profile, you will get this search box, correct? So on that reference, this question belongs to, correct? It's pretty simple. Question number 14. Which OOB out of box support will help you to avoid creating duplicates while importing data? Answer would be CSA field. Correct? So it's kind of those people worked on the SQL or like the database related thing. So they are aware about the like primary key, foreign key, that kind of thing. So it's like it's a unique key. So it's work as a CSA. When you check in on CSA, it's work as a like primary key. Correct? So it will match you over the like what the existing data, and that on that basis it will do the actions what required. Correct? So that is the whole answer. Question number 15. Which plugin needs to be enabled to unlock domain separation on a ServiceNow instance? Correct? Answer would be domain support, domain extension installer. That is the whole answer. Question number 16. Which of the following cannot be customized through the basic configuration UI 16 module? Answer would be form header size. Pretty simple. Moving towards the next slide. Question number 17. By default in ServiceNow, what customizations are added to update set? Answer would be changes made to a form. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Question number 18. Which of the statement is correct regarding fulfiller and approver user? Fulfiller user, answer would be fulfiller users have the ITIL and approver underscore users pro. Correct? Now approver users only have the approver underscore user role. That is the whole answer. Pretty straightforward. Question number 19. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding the difference between save button and update button? Even you have a form, so there is a multiple buttons are there, correct? Like save and update, like go to update set. You can watch it like everywhere that button will be appears, correct? Like save, and when that record has been created, then there is a update button will be appear. correct? So on that reference, this question is asked. So save allows the user to remain on the same record while update returns the user to the previous viewed record. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Question number 20. Which of the following ways can be used to build relations between tables? Correct? Might be so many of like 5 to 6 options will be there. So you have to choose the correct one. So many to many, one to many database views. So that is the pretty much straightforward. Everyone knows about it. Like one to many. So I'm taking the example of catalog items, correct? When request having the multiple RITMs and RITMs having the multiple tasks. So it's a one to many. It's a relationship between request to catalog and many to many. Catalog item connect with different multiple tasks, correct? So that is the relationship. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So moving toward the question number 21, which of the following are permissions that can be granted to a delegated developers? So answer would be reporting, manage ACLs and roles, and integration. Pretty much clear. Yep. Okay, moving toward the question number 22. Which one of these application is available to all users? Answer would be self-service. Question number 23. Which module displays a list of tasks assigned to a user group? Remember, tasks assigned to a user's group, but not yet assigned to an individual user. So answer would be my group works. Question, like it's a module. If you see in like my work and all the details, so over there you can find the my group works. So it's asking about that module, correct? So moving toward question number 24, which one of the following is a definition for transform maps in ServiceNow? So a map to determine relationship between fields displaying in an import set to fields in an existing table. That is the whole answer. Moving toward the question number 25. Multiple choice, single line text, and select box are what type of elements in service? Answer would be variable types. Pretty much straightforward. It's self-explanatory. Moving towards so question number 26. What is the language used for scripting in ServiceNow? Answer would be JavaScript. Question number 27. What field in a list is not sortable? Answer would be time fields. Moving toward the next slide. It's the last slide for questions. Question number 28. What is SSO? Single sign-on. Correct? Might be there written over there. It's a written over there like a single sign on, like sign on single, that kind of thing. Question number 29. Dash is to that will auto populate the CMDB about your Windows computer. Answer would be discovery. Last question. If workflow is not published, only checked out, will it be captured in update set? False. Correct. So every time the data which will be like modified or like it's a customized, when you publish it, then those data will be captured. So that is the answer. Okay, so that is the whole answer about the whatever that we need to be discussed. And thank you for watching my video. And please share, like, and subscribe my channel. And next video would be like the final one. So cover the like same the 30 question would be there, and it also it will be created by me. My name is Gaurav Rai. So it will be last video in this series. So after completing the third video, we will cover the 90 questions overall in 3 videos, correct? 30 for first, 30 for this, and 30 for next, correct? So thank you. Bye.